how to sign into your Novo Banco Portugal bank account. Google search for Novo Banco Portugal, login, and then you will click on the first website that pops up right here. It is gonna look a little something like this, and now what you have to do is click on Access Now. Once you select Access Now, it is going to ask for your membership number and also your PIN. You will need to provide your membership number right here and then enter your PIN after you have provided your membership number. Type out your PIN here, and once you type out your PIN, if it's valid, it is automatically going to sign you in. If you have forgotten your PIN, you can order a new one by clicking on here, and this is going to initiate the process for receiving a new PIN. And once you provide this information, it is going to securely log you into Novo Banco. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.